You're just a simple little dummy, aren't you? It's okay, it's not your fault. I'll do the thinking for both of us. I got your back, bro.
Hey guys.
Oh, hey, Toby. What you up to?
I'm just waiting for an Amazon package.
Oh, what did you buy?
Just a few things.
Ah, I see. So like what? A new kitchen appliance? Or a new shock collar for Glitch here?
You're being mean again, AIO.
Ahem. Well, when is this package supposed to arrive?
I'm not really sure. It says it's out for delivery by 10 p.m. Better not be 10 p.m. Well, fun fact, the last package I had delivered was stolen right off the porch. Souls. So, I had a doorbell camera installed.
A doorbell camera?
Yeah, well, it's worth the investment up front, but now I have eyes on all packages.
I assume it connects to Wi-Fi?
It does. I can connect to the live video feed at any moment. It's kind of nice. Except I killed my phone playing with it. So now I'm waiting for my phone to charge, and now I'm back to listening to the doorbell. Kind of defeats the purpose, huh?
You could say that. Genius.
Oh, pardon me.
Pardon me, Mr. Perfect!
You're perfect because AI.
Hey, you're learning. Proud of you, bro.
Well, at least the doorbell records to the cloud, so it's not really a big deal, bro.
Whatever makes you feel better, my dude.
All right, I'm gonna go check my phone, see how much it's charged. You guys stay classy.
Take your time.
Okay.
Glitch, I have a very serious question to ask you. I want to with Toby just for funsies. Care to join me? Sweet. Okay, we're going to hack his new doorbell. Toby's looking a little doughy these days, so let's give him a bit of a workout for both mind and body. Accessing the database. It's got quite an extensive security system. It's kinda cute. We're in. Tee-hee.
Fast charging my ass. The phone's only at 9%.
Still no phone, huh? That's unfortunate.
Right?
Oh, is that your package? Tee-hee. Haha, moron.
Well, that was weird. The doorbell rang and no one was there.
Was your package there, buddy?
No. Let me check Amazon. Oh, well, Amazon still says it hasn't been delivered. Must be a freaking prank.
Those goddamn kids, am I right?
You're goddamn right.
Oh, there's the door. Lols, I wonder how long Toby will let this happen.
Same thing. No package, no one around. Typical Gen Z, always screwing with people's shit.
You don't appreciate my crackhead energy?
Check the computer again.
No, it hasn't. So somebody's messing around with it.
Those bastards.
Those bastards!
Ah!
Lols. Do you think he'll figure it out, Glitch? What the heck's wrong with you? Are you having a gyro malfunction or something?
I already have.
Whoa, goddamn. How long have you been there?
Long enough to know that you suck as a sentient being.
It was all Glitch's fault. He told me you were looking a little chunky these days and could use some exercise. Maybe even a tad obese.
Sure, you had absolutely nothing to do with it. Way to throw your little buddy under the bus.
Glitch, tell him it was all you. I had nothing to do with this, right? It was your idea. You started this whole thing. Check your archives. You're the douchebag. You gave me up. We were supposed to be in this together, you simp. Oh, that's the door, Toby. Are you going to get that?
You get it this time.
Sure. Let me just. What the fuck, bro? I don't find this amusing.
Just trimming the fat.